Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. This is the time to again reconnect, rebuild, and move forward. TAAI President. Visitors and tourists can register on the Al Husn app in 7 easy steps before arriving in UAE. Indian students to the UK start getting priority and super priority visas. Japan further eases border controls for tourists, allowing non-guided package tours. Mysore district to soon get integrated platform to issue entry tickets to tourist spots. South Korea to end pre-departure COVID test requirement for overseas travelers. More should promote brand India overseas now, says Ravi Gosai. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.